Cold calling. Best day and time chosen by AI, AnyBiz. Cold calling remains a staple in sales, offering direct personal communication with potential clients. However, timing is critical, with the right moment potentially leading to successful interactions, while poor timing may decrease call effectiveness. Cold calling faces challenges like reaching decision makers, dealing with rejection, establishing rapport, and standing out amidst information saturation. Legal constraints also add complexity, making effective strategies essential for success. Poorly timed calls result in low response rates, rushed conversations, and negative brand perceptions. Implementing data-driven strategies and understanding optimal calling times are crucial to improving cold calling outcomes. Knowing when to call specific industries enhances call reception. For restaurants, late mornings and early afternoons midweek avoid busy periods. For general businesses, mid-morning and mid-afternoon on Tuesdays and Thursdays are ideal. For real estate, late mornings and late afternoons midweek align with industry activity peaks, making them the best times for reaching agents. Experimenting with timing can refine cold calling strategies. Setting clear goals, segmenting the audience, and maintaining standardized approaches during tests provide valuable insights into optimal call times. Tools like CRM software, analytics tools, A/B testing software, and feedback mechanisms help track and analyze cold calling outcomes, optimizing strategies based on data. AI transforms cold calling by analyzing data for optimal timing, monitoring call quality, and adapting strategies dynamically, thus enhancing effectiveness and efficiency in reaching prospects. AnyBiz leverages AI to revolutionize lead generation, utilizing AI-driven sales agents for personalized, efficient outreach across multiple communication channels, scaling business growth without increasing complexity or overhead. Effective cold calling hinges on timing. By leveraging AI, companies like AnyBiz predict optimal contact times with unprecedented accuracy, enhancing response rates and lead quality. Join us to revolutionize your sales with smart, data-driven strategies. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support. Like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.